the littlest chef.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Littlest Chef. My name is Natalie, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious beef stew. Actually, it's a delicious beef soup. In a previous video, I showed you guys how to make my Haitian Independence Day squash soup. And in this video, I'm gonna show you what I like to eat when it's like super cold outside. Right now, I'm in New York. It is like 20 degrees. And when it's that cold, I'm really craving something hearty and something filling and something nice and warm. So today I'm gonna make a beef soup. I keep calling it stew, I don't understand. Anyways, what we're gonna put in this soup today, we're gonna put beef, we're gonna put tripe, beef tripe. We're also gonna put lots of greens, lots of veggies, and also we're gonna put potatoes and plantain and dumplings, all the carbs, guys, all the carbs. All right, let's get cooking. Let's put our meat in the pan and season it up. First thing we'll do is get some olive oil. Put that in there, just like that. We're gonna add a nice portion of the epi seasoning, a good amount, because remember, this is soup. So this should be nicely seasoned. All right. Usually I would say season your meat the day before, but I do not have time to do that today. So I'm just gonna season it right here, right now. I'm gonna take some fresh thyme, throw that in there. Take a few extra leaves. All right, some paprika, onion powder. Nope, this thing, I do not have time for this today. Let's take that cap off, okay? All right, we're gonna go in with some onion powder. Some garlic powder. Some Slap Your Mama seasoning. Here, I like to do this so that I can control the amount of salt and stuff that I'm putting in my food. We're also gonna add some sea salt. Okay, remember this is soup, guys, so even if this is a little over salted, as long as the soup isn't over salted, you're good to go. All right, and then we're gonna add some fresh parsley. I mean, not fresh, but you know, this stuff to give it some color. Last but not least, we're gonna go in with some black peppercorn. Not too much, because this stuff is strong. I can already start to smell it. It smells so good. All right. Okay, so this looks good. Let's put some water in there. We're gonna let that boil with the lid on for about 30 minutes. All right, let's see how the beef and the tripe are doing. That looks pretty good. The beef has been boiling now for about 10 minutes, but we're gonna let that continue doing its thing because I really like when the tripe is like very, very just easy to chew. I don't like chewy tripe, and I don't like chewy meat either. So I like to overcook my stuff so that the meat is literally like falling apart. But everything looks good. I'm happy with how it looks. We're gonna cover that and let that cook for another 30 minutes. So let's check on our meat that's been cooking for almost, how long? Maybe like 25 minutes. So right now it looks very, very good. And right now it's getting to the point where it's about to start frying up. So that's what you want it to do. You want it to really start frying up and getting nice and brown and juicy. So I hear it frying up. It's not gonna taste good unless you do that, guys. So you want this to cook, but you don't want it to overcook, okay, guys? I mean, it is overcooked. I'm saying you don't want it to burn. All right, so just keep an eye on it. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in, throw in a Scotch bonnet pepper, onions. These are some leeks that I washed and cut up into nice small pieces. And what else we got in here? We also have some carrots as well. So we're gonna throw all of that in here. Mix those up. We're gonna go in with some fresh plantain and some potatoes. Mix that up. I'm also gonna go in with some bone broth. All right, bone broth. So I'm gonna add way more water to this. I'm gonna add water until it's about up to here. And then I'm gonna let this boil down.
Okay, so now we're gonna make our dumplings. These dumplings are super, super easy to make. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna mix some flour with a little bit of salt, and then you're gonna go in with water and just mix it all up until everything combines. Now, at some point, you might find that the dough is a little bit on the stickier side, so you're gonna go in with a little bit of flour and continue mixing everything up. So this looks good now. Now we can roll out our dumplings, aka boy. This is how we call dumplings in Creole. So let's add our dumplings. Let's take a look at this delicious soup. So this soup has literally been boiling for like 3.5 hours, okay? As you can see, I ended up cutting the dumplings into smaller pieces. You can see the dumplings in there. You can see the beef, the plantain, the spinach. This is how I like my beef, guys. I like my beef to the point where it's like falling apart, okay? That's what I like. And this is the tripe. The tripe is nice and soft, easy to digest. It's a beautiful, beautiful hearty soup. I hope you guys enjoy this bouillon.